Take a seat, cross your ankles.
Can I go down like that? Or like that?
It's better go like that because once you get
Okay, thank you.
cross your ankles. There's no scratch on our backs or nothing, so this is a very safe ride. Thanks all for
Oh god, that's good.
Oh god, it's killing me.